All right, guys, I got Venus here with me. We're gonna break down what we did in class from Monday to today, okay? First thing we did is the two-step, okay? So we're gonna start with simple two-step. We're not even gonna add the shoulder yet because every time we teach you something, it's building, okay? So start with the build. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's perfect. So when you do it that way, I would say we'll call that level 1. Level 2 is when we're going to turn our shoulder, just like, you know, if make sure I'm going to shoot it and dodge it right there. That's what we're doing, okay? So we're going to add our shoulders with our two-step. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it one more time, okay? You just do exactly what you did. I'm going to do something just a little different. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what Venus did, he added a little bit of a body roll, okay? And all I did was just turn the shoulder. You guys see that? So eventually what I want you guys to try to do is what Venus is doing is add that little body roll because it adds a little bit more flavor, okay? So one more time, I'm going to do it without the roll, but I'm going to do it with the turn, okay? So it's not one is better than the other, it's the progression of the moves. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, okay? So now we're going to add our doubles, or quick time, right? So we went slow. Now the quick is 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So it's like quick, quick, then slow. Okay, okay, good, good, good. So we're going to do slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So when we're practicing at home, make sure you count the ends as well, okay? So you guys watching right now, count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
2, 3, 4,
5, and 6, and 7, 8. Perfect. We're going to go to the left side this time. Keep the count. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. We're moving on. I know we're moving on fast, but if you have trouble, hit the pause and rewind. It's all good. Now we're going to do our kick, ball, change. First one is in place. 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to stop there. I know you guys got it. Now we're going to go side to side. 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Good, good, good. And what we did today is we got the spinning going on, right? So we have the 1 and 2. Now we're facing this way. 3 and 4. Face back. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. And then 7 and 8. So we made a full, not a circle, but it's like a square. Okay? Full 360. Let's give it a try. We're going to do a 360 going to our right. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. And the last thing we did was a hip hop bounce. Okay? So first thing we did was just here, here. We imagine if there's a drum pad right here in front of both knees, and you're hitting it right on the beat. Let's give that a try. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now we have to balance on single leg, right? So let's do the double. We're going to double right leg, and we double the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, 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 double. And the key, guys, is what? We're also bouncing, we're also sitting as we lift up the knee, right? So if I show you what not to do, it would be this. Okay? So Venus, you do it correctly. I'm going to show you what not to do. 6, we're going to double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can obviously, this looks better than this. Okay? Now, I'm going to add the bounce. Let's go single, single, double. That's what we did in class. Single, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Venus also added a little bit of turning, which is really cool, right? Because it kind of reminds you of that first thing that we did, where he kind of did the little shoulder roll with a sit. That's excellent. You don't have to do that, but if you do that, I think that looks better too. Okay? So one more thing we did is we went up, and then we came back. 1 8 count going up, second 8 count back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had a little bit close to camera, but we're all good. All right. Thank you, Venus, and thank you guys.
We just